say was in Nigeria. In Nigeria, I can't know who. Why are so move for national peace to reign?
Yeah, we are. Wow. What's your going?
If you can still get freedom, if you can get freedom, you can not get what you do me, but he wants to do it for muscle. Just where? Any man like me, every night like everywhere you must leave or most ever by now when you have you go back to your grave. I let me go. Soon.
Okay.
Yes, I mean, wow, we kill her.
As a young.
My way carry grace. My way be auto. My one of una call the phone for head. When I take lessons. Why do you go?
We say
how many years we can fight?
We say some must forget. Best way to wake bola for social media. That we work on let's say more for still to wake bola. But people, me don't know the sense for must forget. We say some must forget. I must for area. No, webo. Wait, best way mad they smell like gutter. Unwhere we are. Best way mad they smell like gutter. Who get friends for social media? Yeah, who be friend for social media? Best way say do marriage, nobody call marriage. Now people want it. They big giving on magic heavy. Where's one? The day when they put money for your head, mama heavy. In short, maybe they see you. Your papa doesn't expire. You be well at you. When I saw, Mona say my way mumu. Mona say my way mumu. He go they pretend. That's why they say get belle. He go say get belle. Only no since 2 years ago they say get belle. Amamia ko pikin will not see. Now this picture come and say get belle. May any woman, you be man, you dey wash me. May any woman not pretend belle give you in Jesus' name. Any woman will go pretend belle give way, no say not get belle. He use belle put you for work. Old woman for that matter, 57 years old woman. May that woman, may something strike in left leg. May batting strike in left leg. They are not hearing me. Hey, Baba. If you be man, you dey wash me. I been a women they wash me. Be akwere man. I bet if you know say you be man, say hi. I'm not just saying men dey here. Please, if you know say you be man, you dey wash me, say hi. I want to see whether men they watch me. See, we are hearing you. Yeah, God bless you, ABC. If you know say you be man, you they watch me, say hi. Elizabeth, thank you. If you know say you be man, you they watch me, say hi. I want to see whether men they. Please, not lie. If you know say you be man, not be only men I talk, only men. Men. If you know say you be man. So at this prayer, now I get her. Men, only men. Now this prayer, now I get her. I don't know where you are watching me right now. I mean that they call Don Prince, aka Don Spiritual. My Benini, na be Use Soba Bini. Use Soba Bini, na be my Benini. But I never they advertise that name. The girl where we reach, I can't advertise that. People never know my Benini name. The Use Soba Bini. That be my Benini. Now the emissu, the Use Soba Benini. If you feel right, I have a conversation. But I never they promote the name. Very soon I will start to promote the name. And my name be that, my Benin name. Use Soba Bini. I prophesy today, as a man, you are watching me. May any woman never pretend oh belly like this, saying get belly for you in the time when you need picking, deceive you. Anywhere that woman day, may somebody condemn me left leg. May waiting on good, condemn that left leg. Use Soba Bini. That's my name. Use Soba. Now they hear me so. So if you be man, now you get that prayer. I say any woman will go pretend the way this Iye Kevin take pretend for Lord Moswo. Carry belle for 2 years plus. And mama beer. For 2 years plus. Any woman will go deceive you like this. Will no say no get belle. It deceive you. Me waiting no good. Condemn the left leg. Somebody say, man, oh, thank you, Joy. What? Joy love, you are laughing me. Hey, Baba, you are dear. I say, me waiting no good. Condemn the left leg. The time where you take me picking. People, they laugh, you say, you not get Euro picking. Everybody, they laugh, you say, you know, your prick not they walk. Your bola no fit bring you Euro picking. Your bola, everybody, they laugh you. Now that time, when I use less woman, I can't deceive you. Hold belly like this. Like the way this woman hold belly now. Tell you saying get belly. Say me video that come out. Make your fans say saying get belly. You really hold belly. Shook up for a toto razor go up. If for a toto, no see the way for a bekus. If for a bekus whole land. Shook up, they say bekus whole land like who get belly. Deceive everybody. Deceive everybody. The time we take do this video, that woman way there America, that one they cry. I want to say all the money we spent for Franco Moswo is gone. Say you don't go give Mama Kevi Bele. Now I say this woman not get Bele. That's why I tell them, I say this woman not get Bele. This woman pretend that won't done no. Oh, why you know we do everything to just prepare people for social media. She can do everything, anything to pepper, just to support him, to pepper people for social media. I tell the woman, say, no get belly. Say, don't preach on don't preach on me. Oh boy, I'm a spiritual person. I'm a spiritual person. This man not get belly. He say, na lie, say get belly. Today, he's going to 2 years plus now. We'll not go see picky for her. My people, we not see picky for her. That woman is late right today now. May her soul rest in perfect peace. She's late. Abioyewa, she's late today. May her soul rest in perfect peace. This useless woman and a Muslim, and they deal with that woman. Without no belly. Women, when I know they deceive men like this, so any woman where they do will not like them. If you be woman, please don't deceive any man. Say you get belly, we not get belly. Don't deceive any man. Please, we are begging you. This is useless woman. I'll be deceiving one useless boy called a Moswo on social media. That name of Moswo fitan. That make another woman collect the house. Another woman. That why the house where the boy build, another woman collect her. When I show, I said the topic was sweet. Everybody continue to power tap. Man, show now the house where the boy gets. This is the house. Now people now they see, please now they say one right yes. This is the house the Omozo was building. If you now they see the house, one right yes. This is the house Omozo was building. They know they see the house. If now they see the house, one right yes, my people. If now they see the house, one right yes. They don't hear me again. Now they hear me again. Now they quickly they see the house. Now they see the house. Yeah, the beg. My people, when they see the house, yeah, the beg. See the house not show where. It not show where. The house not show where. Okay. You know why I not show where? Now Momo house. You know why I not show where? Now Momo house. That make I not show where. Now Momo house. The house they build up for it says sand. Sand, borrow piece sand. Where be say erosion the park put. Where erosion the park put, now they build the house put. Now make an office and where. Don't worry, I call Zuma, mona for sian, mona no worry. This, I show now the bit. When I see the beautiful sexy lady, we collect the ass. And I see Zuwa. Oh, somebody shot, super lady. If you know say they wash me now, I bet shout super lady to this lady. This lady now sees the ass. Super lady of our time. Hey, Baba. Somebody shout super lady. They don't hear me. Hey, girl. This woman now sees the ass. It's season till today. If you are hearing me shout super lady, you go no ga. Only one mama ego. Any other mama ego is counterfeit. Any other mama ego is counterfeit. Super lady. Super lady. Somebody say, what is going on? What is going on? Remember for comment section. You will listen, you will know what is going on. Super lady. This lady, now collect the ass of Mozo hand. You are new here, okay. Without no picture. You dey follow me with no picture, nothing. You are new. May you be new forever. May you be new forever. You become new every day you become new. You see Sipo ABC, you put picture. When mama picture you are new here. You will become new forever. Tomorrow you will become new. Next tomorrow you become new. Every day you will become new. You come into my platform without no picture, you are telling me you are new here. I'm a spirit megwalo. If it's so people, invisible, man. I'm not looking for invisible. You are not welcome. If you are invisible, you are not welcome. We know our people. Oh, I'm new here, invisible. That's time I'm new. I know you. Now let you know me don't know you. If you are new for yourself. You are not new here. We are not welcoming you. Why welcome? Mona no welcome. No welcome. No picture, nothing. You are new here. Tomorrow you become new again. Every day you become new. You will become new. How can you be on TikTok like this? Do you know where your favor can come? Do you know your favor or you be ikpinenye? You be ikpinenye? Are you ikpinenye? Talk to me. Ikpinenye we here. Now woman collect pesi. Woman. Now sees presenter as somebody who said, "Na be otutu no me no me o wa mati we rock back." Somebody who claim is otutu no me no. You know the year Bini? You don't hear Bini? You don't hear Bini? Don't worry. You go hear by force. Say bye, sir. My boss is here. God bless you, PP Queen. Don't worry. We always do. Thank you, PP Queen. I know my people. My people know me. I know my people. My people know me. You cannot come here with that picture and tell me you are new here. You can never be new here. You are not welcome. Pretty nurse is here. We know her. Pretty nurse, she's here. We know her. See, sir, you are very funny. You just make me laugh. Okay, I make you laugh. Okay. I make you laugh. Abi, I make you laugh. I make you laugh, Abi. I make you laugh. That is why you came here without no picture and telling me you are new. We should welcome you. My family should welcome you. You are not welcome in the Christ. You are not welcome. You are not welcome. We can never welcome you. More ask people who they wash. My people, more welcome her. You're the listing. If you want more welcome her, say yes. If you want more not welcome her, say no. They listen to our fans. If you want more welcome her, say yes. If you want more not welcome her, say no. Because we cannot be welcoming people who don't know. People who cannot identify. Are you hearing me? They listen. We cannot be welcoming people who don't know.
Don't Prince, they are not hearing you. Don't Prince, they are not hearing you. They are not hearing you. They are not hearing you.
That Mercy is not hearing us.
They are not hearing you, Mercy.
We cannot welcome her.
Mercy, you are not hearing us.
You are not hearing us, Mercy.
Mercy, you are not hearing us. You are not hearing. You are not hearing us, Mercy.
You didn't see my fans. These are people who know me. She know me. Mercy, are you seeing there? You are not hearing.
Yeah, it's not hearing you, Mercy.
You see, only this flower we put, it means symbol of peace.
Yes, pray.
You see the flower? If I'm seeing this flower, I'm seeing the symbol of peace.
Mercy, you are not hearing the praise. Mercy, you are not hearing us. The praise, give me the
Mercy. Don't try it again. Say you, my sister, more welcome, ma'am. Okay. Abiasa, mother, more welcome you. You cannot come to our place because this is a family. We are family here. People know me. They know we are family. You are coming to our family for the first time. You don't know identity. You want to catch us on our way? You cannot catch us. Wait till we man. If you want to catch us on our way, you cannot catch us. You cannot catch us. We are smarter than you people. This lady you are seeing here, she is a gallant lady who collected Frank Omozo house. Today, we are giving her shalat because God bless her for doing it for us. So you don't want to join our family, please always come with picture of this thing. Please, I'm begging you. I want to recognize our people. Thank you. Say, please, sir, welcome me. Not be me will welcome you. The fans will welcome you. My fans will welcome you. If you are welcome, my fans will tell you if you are welcome. Me cannot welcome somebody that is anonymous. You are anonymous. You are anonymous. I cannot welcome somebody who is anonymous to this page. If my fans want to welcome you, it's for them. If they can welcome you, I'm no problem for them. But me, the prince, you are not welcome. You are not welcome. Except you go and rearrange your profile and come back. Before we welcome you. God bless you. So let's continue our topic. My people, as I was saying, this lady is called Mama Ego. You see, they say you are not welcome. People are writing it. You see, they say bam. Not be me they talk. People are saying it. People are saying it. It's not me. So let's go. So this lady that you guys are seeing is a lady who God has blessed. A lady who shamed the shameless. A boy who always come out and tell the world that is otutu no mo no wan. Is otutu no mo no wan. Do you know that this lady sees this useless boy as? say I cannot send gift. Why? They don't seize my gift. Somebody say I cannot send gift. Why? You know, and this mercy. Not be you. When I'm welcome. Not be people they censor this. Thank you, just me. Just me. Thank you. Not be just me. Please. People that are not welcome, we know them. You they lie. Your way not clear. You see you now. So my people, let's continue. I just want to show you the lady where color this Francomoso has. Now this lady. So now the same Francomoso useless wife will not come out. Will not come out and say, the husband is enjoying. Enjoying what? Where you are falling into problem every time. Say, do I welcome? Eddie Love, you are welcome because we still see E for you. Eddie, you are welcome. Eddie Love, you are welcome because we still see E. Not the one we know you show anything. Any dangerous be. Any dangerous be. With the friend for abroad. These are some of the women with the friend, with the boy the friend. See the people with the boy the friend, where the woman they say the boy they enjoy. Imagine this kind of one give you bekus where you do as a man, you say you enjoy. My people, you see the kind of bekus where this boy they do, where the woman they say the boy is enjoying. Say a man they enjoy. Say many different women they come. My people wanna see woman where they say that they enjoy. Now this one, person they talk say your husband they enjoy. Sometimes if you are happy your husband because he's a nuisance to the community, have the man where. Your happy is nuisance. Look at the woman you will say they enjoy. This, my people wanna see woman now. This one are some of the women where they carry bekus, go give the boy codedly. Not bring me come out for social media. Oh. More they do a coded. I know how many people know. No sooner social media matter guy be. More they do a small. Today now, the dwarf. This girl is a very dwarf. If you see her very short, she's a dwarf. Now people now they hear me. She's a dwarf. Imagine person where they chop dwarf. Go come and say they enjoy. Have a dwarf. Look at the dwarf. She is enjoying. Now people now they see dwarf. This is pure dwarf. Now this boy can come and say they enjoy. The woman can say, hey, I'm enjoying. All this one bekus. This one bekus. If this one open belly for you now, belly do fall. Eko gue. Belly do cover bekus. Belly it cover bekus. That person come tell you say in they enjoy. It's a shame. Deceiving Edo people, deceiving Nigerians. Look at somebody where woman come and say husband they enjoy. Not be woman where be say you still bring come out. They'll see us everywhere good. If they see the woman, people they admire her. This woman they wear now. My people, you will they wash me so. You will be lady, they wash me. You agree me your husband carry this kind of as a woman will be saying that be your second. My people, you will they wash me now as a lady. Will you allow your husband to bring this dwarf to you as a second, as a co-wife? If it is yes, say yes. If it is no, say no. Say, hope I'm welcome here. Yes, first lady, baby, you are welcome. You are welcome. Because I see your picture here. You are welcome. Mercy, you are not welcome. Mercy, you are not welcome. Mercy, you are not hearing me. Eater. Even though say you still there here, you are never welcome. Till you change your profile. Look at Silver Gold. Silver Gold say no. Silver Gold say no. God bless you, Silver Gold. Real quick, they say no. You as a lady, you agree, man, your husband carry this dwarf, can't give you for her, say, na my second wife. They'll come carry this dwarf, come give you as a second wife. Thank you, First Lady. First Lady, God bless you. Thank you. Eh? My people, you go grey. May your husband carry this dwarf with big belly. Can't tell you saying get in the enjoy for outside. You want carry this kind one can give you. And maybe you sleep fine. You cause it fair pass second wife. First wife will fair pass second wife. Not be batty be that. Hey, Baba. Thank you, First Lady. First wife will not fair pass second wife. That is a shame and a disgrace. Any man we will try here to try here. That man may salty choppy brokers. See your husband will go carry no one get high. Okay, I've had your. You are not welcome, Mercy. You are not welcome. What is going on here, please? Don't worry, First Lady, baby. First Lady, baby, you will understand what is going on. Just calm. You are welcome. You don't say we welcome you. All your day, your head. We know people who they welcome. First Lady, baby, you are welcome here. You see that Mercy? We can never welcome that Mercy. Mercy, you are not hearing us. You can never hear us, Mercy. Mercy, anywhere you did, you can never hear us. You can never hear us. So don't pray that your husband should bring this kind of non-entity to your house as a second wife. Rebuke her. Rebuke her for your life. Pretty nurse, thank you. I know my people. I know my people know me. This is the idiot that Mama Kevi will come out and said, yes. Do you know that there's a lady called Mama Kevi, First Lady baby? First Lady baby, listen to me. There's a lady called Mama Kevi. This is the lady. Let me bring it. This is the useless woman. Are you seeing it? This useless woman is called Mama Kevi. He has 4 children, 4 fathers. Are you hearing me? 4 children, 4 fathers. You understand me? He has 4 children, 4 fathers. And as I'm telling you now, he has a J. You know the meaning of a J? Grand Pekin. The senior daughter is 36 years old. That one I don't get 2 children for Nigeria. Our senior daughter is 36 years old. See the boy. Might show you the boy we put her for her so. Might show now the boy we put her. Yeah, baby. Wait. I don't see that one where. I bring out that one come out. I'm not sure they see where. And people now they see where. They are not seeing it. Are they seeing it? Continue to power tap. God bless you. Thank you for power tapping. When I see the useless boy, we condemn that woman so. This idiot. Now the woman say they enjoy. This idiot. Now the woman say they enjoy. When I listen where the woman they talk. Now I plan. When I listen. Wait. That is speaker door.
Go back to your grave.
See the boy.
Okay.
See the boy. This useless boy. Now this man is such a papa for.
Man, will be autumn. Man, one of them call the phone for your head. When I take lessons.
Wait to.
When why you say?
Now people, when I wait to instruction. This boy and me, they put us from one place. Una go carry, una go choose. I beg, my people, this idiot and me, they put us from one place. Una go choose. Mona talk truth. Mona talk truth. Una go, if not the boy, I go choose. Mona right time. Only beg, God bless you. If not this idiot that will choose, wanna right time. Somebody say I choose you, God will bless you. I must what they are not choosing you. See comment section. They put this boy for ground. This boy, no one. They put the prince, say the prince. Who now will choose? Very simple question. Amazon they listen to can they see a message? If na Amazon, wanna write us say Amazon. If na Amazon I will choose. Una just say write say Amazon will choose you. In na Amazon. Amazon. Somebody say I rebuke Frank. Eh? A messy now you don't know. You don't go update this thing. My husband, I be only a messy. Now you not small kia. What you see? JKV, I don't say this. You know, be comment. JKV, you go to comment. Here do time when webo. Iwe e fansine e vanigima me de ba mozo no muhia de nia choose. When I choose de nia ze. When webo uwezoa. Iwe de nia ze wa mu me va yoto. Ana mu me yoto, ana mo mozo yoto ba aze. Here do tama when wegwazi bu wezoa. I listen in water. I bet mona the right have a comment section. If not Don Prince, mona write Don Prince. If not Muslim, let's do the voting. Let's do the voting. More use 2 minutes to do voting for proceed. If not Don Prince, write Don Prince. If not Muslim, write a Muslim. See na two na the same. Larry, humble love. Where? I will tell be the same. We resemble. I'm Momolaka. And I'm Momolaka. Na mumu, me no mumu. Me na mumu. Me na mumu. Yeah, they are not hearing me. Are they hear me? Amazon they listening. No salo we go where? See, Frank Victor better pass you. No offense. Thank you. Thank you. Now your opinion you talk. I'm not going to insult you. Even if devil come out today, he go still get followers. Wait. Now from Victor, thank you. You must, even though say devil come out, he go still get fans. Let's do the challenge. If you know say you dey here, if not Don Prince you choose, put Don Prince. If not Fracamaz, choose Fracamaz. I know the bias. No bias. You know they hear me. No bias. You see, I'm glad you accept the defend. You should not be accept defend. It means say you only one vote, now they win. Who have more for Black Scottish? Who have more for? Because I talk say I know they do bias. Now only one vote that they win. You know they see people the writers and me they choose and me they choose. You know they day. You know they here. Who? See person where you talk one now. Na ni amame poison. Na amame. Na ni amame. Amuwe na ne no. Say it's Frank. For real, more do the voting. I'm gonna they choose. My fans are also laugh, they laugh. I fast okay. My people, more use 5 minutes to do the voting. Please don't stop our tap. If you are still power tapping, God bless you. If you are still the one power tapping for me, God bless you. Don't stop power tapping, continue to power tap. If you comment 2 times, I will block you. You'll be fool. Don't comment 2 times. Comment only once. As well. Not comment 2 times. You see, I go choose Frank because now money I want it. I hear say it is spent for women. Well, my sister, if not that one you hear, you go gog. The time where money take day, now the time where I bear you was still there alive, the woman with the buy blood, with the buy. Nah, I dey meet. Oh God, you go cry if time come. See why blocking who did not choose you.